So there's actually a funny quote by Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps, who talks about peeing in the pool, and he says that, you know, it's okay to pee in the pool because everybody does it, and the chlorine disinfects it. And this is true when swimmers, especially at competitive pools, swim for long periods of time. They do go to the bathroom in the pool, and the chlorine does disinfect it. But when the chlorine reacts with, you know, sweat or other things from people going to the bathroom in the pool, it creates the trichloramine gas, which is gas that is 4 times as heavy as air, and it tends to pool on the surface of the water, and it causes respiratory issues with swimmers. So we've been involved recently in 2 projects to analyze and design existing air distribution systems in pools. And what we did for both occasions was work with Novus Environmental, who does computational fluid dynamic modeling, and working hand in hand with them, we were able to optimize the air distribution and ventilation system design